When you're drilling pocket holes with your Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520PRO, there are a few simple things that you can do to ensure success. First, make sure that your drill chuck is nice and tight so the bit stays put. Then, set the clutch to the drill setting. And finally, make sure the drill is set to its highest speed. When you're drilling the holes, don't just put the bit all the way down against the wood and pull the trigger. The bit will want to catch and it can be a little bit rough. Instead, lift the bit partway back up, squeeze the trigger and let the drill get to speed, and then drill your holes. How fast to drill depends on the wood. Soft woods drill really easily. Hardwoods are tougher and you may have to go a little bit slower. Whatever the case, push hard enough to make progress, but never so hard that you're forcing the bit. You'll get a good feel as you get experience with the pocket-hole jig and with different woods. When you get to the bottom of the pocket hole, which means the stop collar has contacted the drill guide, you don't want to stop the drill or reverse its direction to remove the bit. Just keep the drill running at the same speed as you withdraw it. The bit will come out easily and it will continue to clear the chips out of the pocket hole on the way out.